Are you thinking of putting your house on the market and you don't want to spend a lot of money on repairs that don't add value to your home? Then this video is for you, because I'm about to share with you 7 repairs that you should avoid before putting your house on the market for sale, and I'm going to get started on those. All right? Hello everybody, welcome back to All Things Knoxville with me, Ben Barredo. Before I share with you 7 repairs that you should avoid before putting your house up for sale, I want to ask you to take 1 second and hit the subscribe button, maybe give the video a thumbs up, and then take another second and share it with someone that you think will get some value out of it. Also, if you're thinking of making a move, whether you're thinking of making a move within Knoxville or thinking of relocating to Knoxville, you should give me a call or text me or email me. I help people like you all the time, and I'd love to help you too. My contact information is below. Now let's get into the 7 repairs that you should avoid before putting your house up for sale. And in fact, these improvements may subtract from your market price. So here are 7 of the most common in home improvements that could turn out to be big mistakes. Number 1 is extensive professional landscaping. You can build an entire amusement park in your backyard, and it won't bring you any more big bucks upon the resale. If you want to put a waterfall that cascades down into a koi pond, do it because you like it, because it's a water feature you enjoy, not because you're hoping it's going to recoup the investment, because it's not. Landscaping choices are personal preferences, and all the handcrafted bridges and unique pergolas in the world won't dramatically boost your bottom line. Some buyers will inevitably see only the money required to keep those beautiful backyards well maintained, and you don't want that. Number 2 is upgrading the utilities. Although you may have paid thousands to install new copper plumbing, or you're replacing sewer lines or septic tanks, or you upgrade the electrical wiring, it's unlikely to bring you more money. These types of utility improvements are considered home maintenance. And the fact is, many of your neighbors have already made these improvements years ago. Of course, getting everything state of the art isn't a bad idea. In certain areas, top of the line is considered the standard though, and without it, you could take a hit when selling time comes. But don't convince yourself that these upgrades will let you mark up the price of the home. 3 is new HVAC units. Many buyers in a marketplace appreciate a home that features brand new furnace or an HVAC system, but they won't pay you very much extra for having it replaced. However, if the HVAC system is particularly energy efficient, you should use that as a selling point. It may make a potential buyer more excited about purchasing the home. 4 is a new roof. The same holds true regarding a new roof. Replacing a roof past its average life expectancy of 30 years is considered a maintenance issue, and it won't necessarily enable you to up the asking price. But giving your buyers who are on the fence the peace of mind that they won't have to make that costly repair or replacement anytime soon could help push them to make an offer. Swimming pools or hot tubs. Swimming pools aren't as big here in Knoxville. You do have houses with them. Hot tubs are pretty popular. Look, TV commercials for pools and hot tubs depict kids having a blast, splashing around, adults sipping cocktails and bubbling water. Sadly though, the cost and expense of an aquatic amenities almost never find their way back into your pocket. Many people won't buy a home with a swimming pool. They don't want to deal with the upkeep or the safety issues. In fact, as part of negotiations, a buyer might even insist that you tear down the pool or take out the hot tub. If you want to install a pool or a hot tub, do it because, again, you enjoy it, not because it's going to pay well when it's time to sell the house. Next is making quickly dated decor changes. You might like white appliances, white ceramic counters, for example, but young home buyers, they don't. They're no longer in. And don't go down the road of rose gold bathroom fixtures and door hardware. Even 12-inch by 12-inch ceramic flooring has lost its appeal. The point is, don't deliberately decorate in the latest style for resale reasons. Fashion changes way too fast. 6 is solar panels. Sure, the salespeople at the solar panel company tell you that installing solar panels will enhance your home's value, but that's often not true. Going solar may be an admirable thing for the environment, and again, it may excite buyers, but it usually does nothing for the resident's selling price. Moreover, if you have financing on the solar panels, you probably can't sell the home without paying off that balance or transferring that lease to the new homeowners. Something that is often not disclosed and you find out at the closing table. Look, the bottom line is some homeowners are devastated to find out that improvements that they've invested money in and invested time in, perhaps even borrowed money for, not only don't improve the value of the property, but might actually detract from it. Fortunately, while most of the enhancements won't help you turn a bigger profit, they probably won't hurt either, and they might make it easier to sell a home by giving a buyer peace of mind or getting them excited about their future. Just don't confuse a buyer's peace of mind with an elevated price tag. And in the meantime, thanks so much for watching this video, and I'll catch you later.